Hey, what's up, guys? Patrick Gorski from Chicago here. I want to talk about an experience I had. It's kind of like a modern day pirate. Um, so I was driving back from the south side of Chicago on the Kennedy going through downtown northbound, and this gentleman barely sideswiped me. He didn't think I hit his car, and I flagged him to pull over, and we pulled over on the shoulder. Uh, and we did what you would normally do during a collision like that. Um, and we exchanged information, uh, phone numbers, driver's license, insurance. He took pictures of my car. I took pictures of his car. Uh, he had a rental car, and the rental car he had was not insured, but that's kind of how rental car service works. They'll give you a better car for the same price and they won't bother to change the insurance. And this insurance company was Lamar's Insurance out of Dubuque, Iowa. And they're a subsidiary of Donegal Insurance. And when I started the claim through Donegal Insurance, because the gentleman didn't think he hit me, therefore he was at fault. That's the only basic logic out of it. If he didn't think he got hit and I hit him and there's evidence that we hit each other, he obviously didn't know what was going on when he was driving. When we started the claim through Donegal Insurance, they took a recording with both of our sides of the story, and my story was exactly what I just said at the beginning. And he just said we didn't hit each other in his recording. And Donegal Insurance denied that there was an accident. And I'll pop pictures up on the screen of the small damage to my car. But obviously, if this is a bigger issue, it needs to be addressed. The big insurance companies can't push around the little man. The liaison at Donegal sent me a letter stating that there was no accident because there was no police report. That's first lesson of this. You need to have a police officer come to a collision no matter what. Even if you guys exchange numbers and agree to not have any more manpower involved in it and waste anyone else's time. We need to waste time here because, people don't want to be honest. And no one, the insurance company doesn't want to pay out. So it was on the expressway. So we would need a state trooper to come out, an Illinois state police officer. And after Donegal sent me the letter notifying me that there was no collision and they were not going to pay anything, I went and did a police report because I agreed with the gentleman that we didn't need to waste anyone else's time on the small matter. But we did, and I got an officer to write up the report, and he called the gentleman, got his side of the story, got my side of the story, filled out an incident report that an accident happened, and Donegal Insurance still didn't want to pay it out. Now, the liaison that I talked to, she said, quote, since the police officer didn't witness the accident, they wouldn't recognize the accident report, which makes no sense to me. The police officer wouldn't 99% of the time witness the accident until after the fact, and he still witnessed the accident as he saw the damage on my car and the damage on the other gentleman's vehicle's car. The police officer in this case did witness the accident because he saw the damage on my car and the gentleman's vehicle by the pictures I took immediately after the accident. So Donegal Insurance just lying through their teeth, as well as the gentleman. You know, the gentleman could have several DUIs or something that would revoke his license if he got in another accident if he went to court. I don't know the story, but an accident happened, and the insurance company just says an accident didn't happen. So the lesson learned is that you always need to have a Illinois State Police officer come out to the scene, no matter what, to make an incident report. Unless you're that gentleman trying to avoid losing your license, then you drive off and it's a hit and run. Initially, I was going to report that. I probably should have. But always have a police officer come out to the scene. People aren't honest. You know. But that's my history with Lamar's Donegal Insurance. I'm insured through State Farm. The damage was so small that it wouldn't be worth to pay my $1,000 deductible to get it fixed. But again, it's the principle. And if this video gets some likes, I'll pursue it. I'll spend the $1,000, get it fixed, and then State Farm can go after Donegal. If you guys resonate with this, if you care, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if I should pursue it. It happened in September. I have 1 year to do it. No rush. Let me know, guys. Take care. Peace out.